Hey everyone, are you starting a new business or looking to refresh your brand identity? Then you must have a professional logo that truly stands out. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get a modern custom business logo design for your brand. Fast, easy and 100% professional. Most people waste hours trying to make their own logo using free tools. But let's be honest, your logo is the face of your business. If it doesn't look premium and memorable, your brand won't make a strong fast impression. So what's the smart solution? Hiring a professional logo design who understands your vision. That's where we comes in. On Fiverr, you can find modern and creative logo designer who will design a custom logo that fits in business perfectly. Whether you are launching a brand, a YouTube channel or online store, you will get high quality, unique logo concept, multiple revision, fast delivery and full commercial rights. I found one amazing Fiverr gig title. He is a Fiverr seller. He is named Bookling S. He is a level 2 seller. 14 orders already running in his, he have 4.9 rating and 47 reviews. He's very professional. He's a logo designer. He will create modern custom business logo design for your brand. He have so many portfolio on there. You can check already. He already makes so many logo for his client, and you can check this. So many logo he create for multiple business and multiple client. So he is a very professional. So yes, you can check he create logo for his client. Yes, this is he create for his client. So there he is a very professional logo designer, 4.9 rating, and his basic price only $15 only. His basic price, 2-day delivery and 5-time revision. He take 5-time revision you can take, and within 2 days delivery. Also a standard package in $45 to modern logo concept, flash vector file, printable file, 3D mockup, source file, and one final logo within 2 days delivery, unlimited revision, only $45. And premium package $85. Modern logo concept, stationery design, Facebook and Twitter banner, source file, and one final logo, 2 days delivery and unlimited revision. So he's a very professional. We will check his portfolio. He have review 44 review, 4 5-star review and 4-star 3 review. So many review he have. So he's very professional. If you want to take this service, you can take. I will just look this design clean, minimal and totally professional. You can choose your package based on your budget and communicate directly with the designer to make sure your logo match your brand identity perfectly. Ready to give your business fresh look? Click the link description. I will take the steps on this gig where you can hire your logo designer today. I will add this link on my description below. You can take there for build your logo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who is starting a new business. I will see you the next video, helping you grow your brand and make smart online moves. Thank you so much.